If you have stains and odor in your toilet bowl, how do you clean and deodorize it so it will clean and make your bathroom smell fresh? Well, I am going to show you how to do that by just using Pine Sol Multi-Surface Lemon Fresh. This helps deodorize toilet bowl and also keep everything fresh. Let's see how to use this. So this is the stains in the toilet bowl, and you can see how stained this is and all outside. All we have to do is we are just going to use the Pine Sol Lemon Fresh multi-surface cleaner, and you just put in half cup of this, just half cup, and I'm not gonna measure, just eyeball. And that should be enough for half a cup. We are going to let this sit for probably just 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we are just going to scrub. I can smell it already. So fresh, lemon fresh. Oh my goodness, the smell is so good. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. Smells so good. And it removes all the stains. Oh wow. And then use your brush to go around the corners to remove anything that is lacking inside there. Oh my goodness, I love this. Inside, all really neat. Clean the edges. Oh wow. And then we're just gonna flush. Oh my goodness. Oh my. That really smells so good. The next thing I do, I'm going to add some of these to the sink. And use that to disinfect the sink and also the toilet bowl. Wipe it all down. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. Let's clean this all off. Oh wow, it's even removed the stains. Then I just use it to wipe things off. Oh wow, smells good. use this to wipe down my toilet bowl. And I'm just going to flush this one more time so we make sure. Look at that. It's all gone. I'm just going to wipe it. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Everything's so fresh, also clean. To clean and deodorize the toilet, you can use Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Clean. As I just showed you in this video, it is very effective. The smell is a little strong if you use too much of it. By using it lightly, like it's suggested, half a cup will do the work. And you see how foaming, clean, and deodorized. The smell is so fresh, like lemon fresh. The whole bathroom smells so good. If you do it too, I do it a little too strong. I feel it go into my eyes, but apart from that there's nothing else. And you saw me, I use it on the sink also, and it really cleans any dirt and deodorize it. And so that's it. That's how easy and simple you can use Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface Cleaner to clean your toilet bowl, freshen up your toilet, your bathroom. You can also use it for the floor, and also to use it as a household cleaner for other things, to wipe your countertops and all that. It's really that effective. And so this video has helped you some way. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you need more cleaning tips and organization, please visit my website. You can see a lot of cleaning articles that I have on there, and a lot of helpful tips that can help you keep your home clean in a very simple way. And as always, thank you for watching my videos. Let me show you in the next video how to clean your floor by using Pine Sol Lemon Fresh Multi-Surface